Bullish predictions for AMP costs in 2030 run from 1 cent to 3 cents. Examiners of the market think that AMP could hit 1 cent by 2025. The price forecast for the bearish AMP market in 2023 is $0. AMP presentation clients are used to being able to pay quickly and not have to worry about security when they buy something. This is harder for blockchains, but AMP is using collateralization through its AMP token to make sure that network users don't have to choose between speed and security. The security token was just released at the end of 2020, but it has already gained a lot of popularity. Headway, the company, is now used by more than 40,000 places, and its digital currency is starting to gain some traction. Could we ever figure out how much AMPs will cost, and will the token be a way to pay in the future? What is AMP? In the world of cryptography, there is debate about whether to put security or speed first. To ensure the safety of every transaction, security is needed, but speed is important for the wide reception of AB. Customers can bet their digital money with every transaction to make sure it will end the movie-making business. Tyler Spalding also started AMP. It is based on the Flexa organization and records, and it has two main roles. People can use AMP to make safe and quick transfers from their own resources. Traders can make sure that bills are always paid on time by combining Flexa and AMP. Specialized research shows that the price of the AMP has gone up and down since it was sent out. The process of making coins started at $0, and according to real records, it has gone up and down a lot. It stayed at this price for a long time, but then it suddenly went up to cross 3 cents. After that, trading was steady until AMP reached a record high of 12 cents, but then the coin had a dangerous drop and retested around 3 cents. AMP. In the white paper for critical research AMP, it is said that it acts as a way to match the motivations of all members and send tokenized financial groups. This is done by combining a non-inflationary incentive distribution with positive input. Circles of increasing buying capacity financial models are made to show that AMP continues to be a low-risk investment, and that its value is based on the utility it provides by allowing decentralized ownership and support in financial organizations. Applications built on AMP can be much more cost-effective than those built on existing frameworks, and they can help remove the heavy burden of traditional social and financial models for financial transactions. The record goes on AMP is worth nothing right now. AMP has moved 0.51% so far, and there have been $9,350,208 worth of trades. AMP is currently ranked 179th among all cryptocurrencies, with a market value of $158,493,685 Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and moving normal combination to similarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for AMP to find out if it's going to be a good or bad year. Our cost expectation numbers use continuous AMP market information, and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. Is the place where digital money is made. From some points of view, 2023 the new idea is one of the most exciting digital currencies to rise this year. It solves the most difficult price problems with Bitcoin's flexibility while keeping security in the last part of the year up to date, possibly all the way to $0. It is expected that this new computerized organization will improve the efficiency of the normal financial system. Its convention will work, but there aren't usually big monetary standards or continuous. An average cost of $0 price update shows that the current Algorand price if everyone works together and moves forward. But according to our Algorand price forecast, supposed to be worth the algo price is expected to go down by value expectation 2024 as low every 2024 AMP cost expectation has a lot of room. A look at the technical indicators shows that the current business sector move is negative by 92%. We think the price and hunger high soon go above $0. But in the
Even
last
so,
30 days,
we should wait
there
to
have
see
been
if the AMP's
16
general
green
strength
30th
list
days
comes
out
at
of the oversold zone
cost
before putting down
uncertainty.
any buying trades.
Algorand specialized
Taking
outline
into account
as per
the
the
most
instability
recent
of the
information,
market,
accumulate the
trade with a
ongoing
starting
cost of
exchange
Algorand
price
is
of $0.
$22 and a
normal
LGO
exchange
is buy
cost of
and by
$0
position number
and an
39
expected
in the
value
whole
of
crypto
$0
environment
in
the flow supply of
2025 if the
Algorand
vertical
is
pattern continues until then. It could get to a penny if the market goes down, and AMP might do well.
with a market cap
The
of
goal
7
might
billion
not be
100
reached in
2025.
The average price of AMP is
71,001
expected to be
14.45
and the
algo
lowest
in the
price
beyond
is expected
24
to be
hours
1
the
cent.
crypto has expanded by 2
This is
cents
if
and
AMP
it's
is able
ongoing.
to support the market feeling
Worth throughout
among
the
fans
previous
of digital
7 days
money.
algo has been in a
According
decent
to our
vertical
predictions,
pattern in this
the
way
price of one
expanding
AMP
by
coin could stay the same
8.54%
for the next
Algorand has
5
shown
years.
areas of strength for
In
extremely